Ever wondered how to take stunning garden photos with just your phone? You don't need a fancy DSLR to capture the verdant beauty of your garden. Today's smartphones are equipped with incredibly powerful cameras that can do just that. But to truly bring out the magic of your garden in photos, it's crucial to understand a few basic techniques. Lighting, composition, and creativity all play a huge role. Armed with just your phone and a few simple hacks, you can create garden photos that are truly breathtaking. First up, let's unlock the power of natural lighting. Harnessing the sun's rays can elevate your garden photos. The golden hour, just after sunrise or before sunset, offers the best light. Adjust your phone settings to capture this glow. Remember, the right light can transform even the simplest garden into a magical landscape. Next, we dive into the art of composition. The rule of thirds is a fundamental technique where your garden canvas is divided into 9 equal parts. Place points of interest along these lines for a balanced shot. A focal point creates a visual anchor, while leading lines guide the viewer's eyes through your garden's narrative. Don't be afraid to experiment with angles. A worm's eye view can offer a fresh perspective. With these composition techniques, your garden photos will become more engaging and visually appealing. Finally, let's explore some creative hacks for unique garden photos. Ever considered using reflections? They can add a whole new dimension to your shots. Playing with shadows can also create dramatic effects. And don't underestimate the power of garden elements. Water droplets or insects can add an intriguing touch. And remember, your phone is more than a camera. With various filters and editing tools, you can enhance your photos in post-production. By incorporating these creative hacks, your garden photos will stand out and tell a captivating story. And there you have it, simple hacks for stunning garden photos with just your phone. Remember, the magic lies in lighting, composition, and creativity. With these techniques, your phone becomes a powerful tool in capturing garden beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden and photography tips. Happy snapping!